Today, we will show you how to make a ring on nails. First, apply ICEGEL nano-based gel to protect your nails. Now, apply Juicy Nudie for a base color. To give a matte and popping feeling, apply Bubble Matte Top Gel. To apply wire gel on nail by extending the gels. Make 2 layers to looks like wearing a ring on nails. Now use any glitter powders you want, rub on the wire gels. To give a chrome feeling, we used ICEGEL chrome powder, pink and silver. Use glass parts gel to stick a gem on nails. Fill it with glass part gel so that your hair or clothes don't get caught on nails. To enhance powder retention, apply glass part gel. If you enjoyed our video, please hit the like button and follow us. Thank you. Have an amazing day.